And good afternoon, my dear fellow Rotarians, fellow realtors across the India, and welcome to the second session of Broker की पाठशाला. दोस्तों, जैसा मैंने कहा था लास्ट सेशन में, this is a platform for brokers, where all successful brokers across the country will come on this platform and share their personal story, their achievement, their success, so that by listening to them, other brokers, the next generation who are just joining this industry, will also learn how to be successful in real estate industry. As I told last year, ये गुरुकुल है, तो हम जब किसी भी गुरु को सुनते हैं उसके पहले हम प्रार्थना करेंगे. We will do prayer. So I'll request everyone to please be with me for a small prayer, and this we will be doing in each and every session. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Sarvepi Sukhina Santu, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukhama Pyunat. Om Sahana Vavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahe, Tejasvi Dhavanitamastu, Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, friends, and welcome to the second session of Broker Ki Pathshala. And I am really very happy to introduce to you today one of my dear friend, my mentor, whom I always admire since I met him first in 2009. He's an amazing person. I'm sure today's session is going to make a big difference in everyone's life who are online right now, especially to the brokerage business. Because this gentleman has been an excellent example of a wonderful life, how a person should lead a balanced lifestyle, your personal life, your business life, your organization, and the society from where we all learn all of things, Let me present to you Mr. Suresh Reddy, sir. He's the Managing Director of Hannu Reddy India Private Limited from Chennai, and he's into industry for last 25 years. Today we are going to have and interact with him how he became so much successful in real estate industry. What are the great things which he learned out of real estate brokerage business? What are the challenges he went through while building such an outstanding organization who has more than 300 people working for and having presence in 7 cities in India, and especially started from Chennai, and Chennai has got some 6 branches. So without further ado, let me welcome Mr. Suresh Reddy, sir. Suresh Reddy, sir, welcome to this second session of Broker Ki Pathshala.
Thank you very much, Vinod.
Yes, sir. I am indeed grateful to you for accepting this invitation. We interacted a lot in last 1 week. Though I knew you from 2009, but it was great opportunity for me to learn little more from inside in last 1 week. I still remember when I saw you first in Chennai at NR India convention, and you were the convention chairman. I couldn't forget that convention. It was an awesome organization. You did a great job that time, and I was very happy to see that, what a man. And I don't know, I never thought that this is how we will again connect. So thank you for coming and having agreed to, share your thoughts about real estate industry and being a broker. We are going to have an interactive session, and I'm sure while sharing a lot of great things people are going to get out of this session. So before we start...
Thank you, Vinod, for your kind words. And I'm honored to be here and share my thoughts and my experiences with everybody, because our experiences are experience only if it is shared.
Great, sir. Thank you very much. And whatever we are going to learn here today is not available on Google. So that is the
Yes.
greatest thing we are going to do in Broker Ki Pathshala. So first, let me ask you, sir. Let us all know about who you are, your childhood, your schooling, your education, your family. Please tell us, sir.
I was born in a business family, and my father was an engineering contractor, and he was a leading contractor in Chennai, and also he was a developer. He developed one of the leading best layouts in Chennai, Poisgal. And being a son of a contractor made me to become a civil engineer. And then the twist of life took me to also do law after doing civil engineering. And after doing my law, I did various businesses before I became a broker in 1995.
So, but sir, because when I joined 32 years back, there was a misconception. Even still, there is a misconception in real estate industry that broker, matlab, you don't require any education. Uneducated person, anybody can walk in. Jisko kuch kaam nahi hai. People don't have any work, they become broker. But I mean, you being a civil engineer, your dad was a developer, contractor. What made you to become a broker?
Oh, okay. So Hanu Reddy Realty was born in 1995 in India, and my brother Hanu Reddy is the brainchild who started Hanu Reddy Realty in 1984 in America. He's done construction management in Stanford, and he wanted to bring the concept of transparent real estate dealing from USA to India, and that's how Hanu Reddy Realty was born in 1995. And at that time, I wanted to head the development wing, being a civil engineer and a lawyer. And my brother Steve, he was supposed to head the brokerage wing. But some change of circumstances in about a year and a half, he had to leave to America, and I had to take up the brokerage wing. And I can't do both development and brokerage, so I stopped the development and I continued broking. And to my amazement, I enjoyed every single day for the last 25 years as a broker, and every day was a celebration.
Great, sir. But this is a great thing for I think great information for all our viewers that there is an Indian who went in US and set up a real estate brokerage business and then coming back to India. I think it's a great thing, and we all are proud for your achievement. That being a civil engineer, your brother went and did construction management and started brokerage business in California, if I'm not mistaken.
Exactly.
And you brought that in India.
And we are continuing to do business in California.
So you have four brothers.
Yes.
So two brothers are in California.
California and two are here.
Great, amazing. So how do you see? I mean, being a entire family in the same business. I think tell me something about your next generation.
I have 3 children, and Shiva is my eldest son. He also did civil engineering like me.
Wow.
And he's been in the brokerage business for last 10 years. So, and he is a vice president in Hanu Reddy Realty India, and he heads the joint venture and developer solutions.
Excellent, sir. I think this is really something amazing that we have a brokerage company in India who is full of civil engineers, and they are doing brokerage, not becoming developer. Why you are not becoming developer?
I think we are enjoying being a broker and the value we are giving to our customers. And my father was a developer 40, 50 years ago. He was a developer, leading level developer in Chennai and a builder. We got into this broking line and enjoying the broking line, having satisfied clients, and then when something is working for us, why change it? So we are continuing in the broking line.
So do you think, how do you put this way that, because you have got operation in different city, so do you think being more family member in our organization, it is really helping you to plan your growth and handle the business in multiple city also?
Definitely, because of the family members being there, we have quality people joining us. And of course, even family members have to be managed. Just like what you say, your associates and your employees have to be managed, because they also have their own ambitions. And in fact, two of my, I only told you about my eldest son. Then I have my second son, Ram, who has done civil engineering and law. He takes care of all our lands. And my daughter has done architecture, and she takes care of all the creativity and the liaison between the India office and the US office.
Amazing. I think
All the three children are in the
excellent.
in the real estate business.
Excellent. Welcome, Ram, Shiva, and Nitya. I would like to first